everyone, my name is Michael Lin and most of you know me as the delicious dumpling tour guide. Ever since I was a kid, I have been eating Wei-Chuan brand dumplings. They're known as the king of dumplings and you can find them at virtually every Asian grocery store in America. Today we are going to get creative and I am going to show you an Eggs Benedict inspired dish using their dumpling wrappers and a spicy shrimp salad using the wonton wrappers as the cups. I hope you guys are excited because I am. Let's get started. Alright, to get started we are going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees and in the meantime I'm going to brush the baking sheet with olive oil. Next, we're going to take 7 dumpling wrappers and lay them across. And we're also going to brush the dumpling wrappers with olive oil and then twist them into a ring. I'm gonna go in the oven on the middle rack at 350 for 5 minutes. All right, and now we are gonna crack an egg into each ring. After the eggs are put in, it's gonna go back in the oven for another 8 to 10 minutes. All right, to continue our hollandaise sauce, the first thing that is going to go in are egg yolks, water, lemon juice, sugar, and salt. It's all gonna get blended together. Here we go. Now this is going, we're gonna slowly add the butter. Guys, the eggs are done, the hollandaise is done, so all we need to do now is put the sauce on and some finishing touches and we're all going to be set. We've got our beautiful hollandaise sauce right here. It just goes right on top and they can go with ham, with smoked salmon, you can put some avocado on top, but really our beautiful finishing touch is some chopped fresh chives. For our second recipe, we are going to make a spicy shrimp salad cup using the Wei-Chuan wonton wrappers, and we're going to start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees and we are going to brush our cupcake muffin pan with olive oil. Muffin pan has been brushed evenly with olive oil. We are going to use our Wei-Chuan wonton wrappers and we're going to put 1 in each of the cups. Cupcake mold is ready. It's gonna go into the oven at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. While the wonton wrappers are baking in the oven, we are gonna use this time to make the salad dressing. Our salad dressing is really easy. It's just gonna be mayonnaise, sriracha, and lemon juice combined together. We're gonna toss it all together with shrimp, diced apples, and the dressing, and we're gonna mix it all together. Wonton cups are freshly baked out of the oven, so now we're just gonna let them cool off. Wonton cups have cooled off completely. We are gonna take our iceberg lettuce that's already been shredded. It's gonna go into each one of these cups. Shrimp and apple salad, making sure that each wonton cup gets 1 shrimp. We're going to finish it off with some freshly chopped chives. You can use cilantro if you want, or even scallions if you like. And there you have it. Today we made 2 simple, fun, and really delicious recipes using Wei-Chuan dumpling wrappers and wonton wrappers. Who knew you could get so creative with dumpling and wonton wrappers? Thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you guys next time.